They just can't stop me now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on now.
Music alone shall live.
Come on now.
Music lifts spirits.
Come on
Music
now.
is like food for the soul. One good thing, I say one good thing about music.
When it hits, you feel no pain.
Listen.
So hit me with music.
Whoa.
Come on now.
Hit me with music.
Right
now.
there, so TGIF Sunrisers, good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, and it's so good to see you.
It's
this
always great to see you,
morning.
IT. It's great to
Especially
have
because
you.
it's a Friday.
Listen, we start off this morning by giving thanks. We want to say, Lord, thank you.
Yes.
That it's Friday. Thank you that we have the gift of life. Thank
Yes.
you that we have the gift of sharing
Yes.
a message with you, receiving the love that you have to give us.
Yes.
Thank you that we know it is going to be a great day, and we know it's going to be a great weekend. We've completed another week.
Yes.
And we give thanks. In everything, we give thanks.
You give thanks. I remember a friend of mine shared that her mother was ill and she couldn't breathe on her own, and she was in the hospital. And they had to put that equipment on her that she could breathe. It breathed for her, that oxygen, whatever equipment it's called. And the day when they took it off and she could breathe on her own, she was saying, Mother, she's breathing on her own now. And she was celebrating it. And I'm saying, whoa, I'm breathing on my own. I'm not even celebrating that. I'm breathing on my own because I forget the fact that this is something to celebrate. So if you're breathing, if you're breathing on your own, just begin there. It's not everything, but begin there. And I tell you, man, if you say, you know, at least I'm breathing on my own, and therefore everything will fall after, because that signals that you have life in you. Breathing. So if you're feeling not so.
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I tell you this, though. I tell you this. In this current moment, Jamaica is not breathing on her own. We have support.
We have a support system.
And we're tapping into a really wonderful support system. A support system that, first of all, consists of our own people.
Yes.
The way our own people have rallied
Have you
around
seen it in any other country?
own.
I've not seen it in any other country.
Listen, I don't know if it's happening in any other country. I just know my heart is so full by the way we have rallied around each other. But my heart is also so full by the way international communities have rallied around us. We've received so much support.
People love us. Hey, Jamaica, people love us.
As recently, this morning I was reading an article that I believe, if I'm not mistaken, one of the countries in the EU, I think it was Belgium, correct me if I'm wrong, but they donated generators, like something like in the hundreds number of generators, so that different spaces could get energy again, get power again. The donation of the field hospital is up. Another 2 are going to be erected shortly. It is Belgium. Thank you, Pat. I appreciate our producer for confirming. The World Kitchen, what World Kitchen is doing in partnership with other chefs and food service organizations. World Central Kitchen, thank you. It is phenomenal. And individuals who have nothing to gain, but just to show up and support their fellow brothers and sisters are showing up and showing out. I will share with you, IT, that on Saturday and Sunday, my husband and I, we went to St. James, went to Trelawney, we went to Westmoreland, we went to St. Elizabeth, and we went to Manchester. I'm not sure, actually no, I am sure the photos and videos can't show you what really going on. It cannot show you what is really going on. When you say the gratitude for the care packages, listen, man. What I do know is we are going to get through this. We are going to come on the other side of this, and we are going to show and remind ourselves just how resilient we are as a people, and just how strong. We really are a strong set of people. You know, we don't bend or break easily, you know. We don't. And I'm grateful for that innate quality that so many of us possess. And I just know that we are going to come on the other side, but the road is going to be long. It's going to be long. I know what I heard, and it's a quote I heard. I don't know who said it, but it says, there's nothing that's wrong with Jamaica,
that cannot be fixed
with what
by
is
what
right
is right
with Jamaica.
with Jamaica.
Yeah, man, 100%.
And this season we are seeing that come alive. One foot in front of the other. And because it's been a rough week for all of us, even on TV here. But you know, as we began in the song, Solid as a Rock, they just can keep us down. Because when you hit rock bottom like this, the only other direction to go is up, you know.
You can't go any other way.
You can't go down anymore.
I'm reliably informed that that quote was actually by Sir Patrick Allen.
Oh, Sir Patrick Allen.
Yeah.
Awesome.
But
yes.
we, as you say, we can't go nowhere than where we are.
Yeah,
we have to come back up.
Yes,
we can't go no lower than where things are now.
Rock bottom again.
Also, I read an interesting
But I must
statistic
say,
yesterday.
Thank you, personally, for what you have done and going to all those different places.
I was like, wait, what?
No, I mean, trust me.
Listen, it's but a drop in the bucket. It is a drop in the bucket. We go again tomorrow.
Yes.
We're heading to 2 additional parishes tomorrow. With, again, more care packages, more tarpaulins.
Yes.
People need shelter.
Yes.
So if you can donate tarpaulins to respective organizations who are going out in the field, it would be tremendous help.
Yeah.
They need food, they need tarpaulins. Hygiene supplies are critically important at this time. Critically important.
Trust me,
Sanitary
very useful,
napkins, wipes, diapers, sanitizers, soap. It's really important, especially because the battle is not just getting back on your feet in the sense of shelter and food and clothes, and so the battle is also avoiding disease.
Yes.
So
oh my God, I pray against a cholera outbreak in Jesus'
we don't even
name.
speak those names. We don't even speak those words. Come on,
man. The name I come out for that is Jesus. So everything before that is null and void.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something though. You see, the persons, I'm heading to a place called Backdale Mountain District up in Aberdeen tomorrow. As my first trip out, because I'm going to support a caregiver who takes care of my sister, and she's shutting down. I'm going with her, partnering with her, working with her to go to that district, and she has lost a family member. Oh, they just found her like yesterday in the water. Let me tell you something. As the water subsides, we're going to hear more. And it is very, very sad. It's very, very sad. Is. But I tell you though, you see this what we're doing? Yeah. That is it. Essentially, it is only we have to have each other. Do this.
We have to have each
other.
other.
Do this and just move.
We have to have each other.
That's the only direction.
Way to
move
get
forward.
Through this.
Just hold each other's hand and move forward. So.
And let me just say also to the opportunists who see catastrophe as an opportunity to capitalize, I'm gonna stop it.
Please go to the nearest police station. They're asking for you.
I'm gonna stop it. Stop hold up the people.
Please go to the nearest police station.
Stop rob the people that trying to do good work. Stop it. Everybody's in a crisis together, you know. Everybody's in a crisis. There is an option that is not that type of an option.
Absolutely
stop it, man. Come on, man. And to the people who price gouging, and stop it too. It's not right.
Not right at all.
This is a time when we have to tap into our moral standing and just do what is right. Treat people the way you would want to be treated. Deal with the thing the way you would want to be dealt with. You understand? It's not the time for them something there, man. You know Come on,
Trust
man.
Me, it's not the time. If there was ever a time that we can say without fear of contradiction, it's not the time. Because what has happened to us has never happened to us, ever.
Oh, that's what I was saying just now. So statistically, this is only the 8th time in the history of recorded systems that a Category 5 hurricane has actually made landfall. 8th time in the history of recorded hurricanes. 8th time. So it's not a common thing. No. The devastation is something that really is unprecedented. And we really are, we're in uncharted territory. We really, you can prepare only so much and no more.
Yesterday was a lady, she was saying, when I hear the sound coming, woo, woo, and one of them, and she was describing the sound, and in the fear that she alone and her grandmother. Right? It's a big woman, and her mother, sorry, she and her mother. And she was describing it, and she hold onto the wind, and the wind is pressing in and thing. And I'm saying, whoa, the drama and the trauma that people have experienced, you know? And then there is what we are talking about, I have been talking about, the survivor's guilt.
Right.
I'm going to say it again this morning. You see, survivor's guilt is really a mixture of gratitude. Because you're really thankful that, not now I'm telling you, but at the same time, you're saying, whoa, when you look at what's happening, or what has happened to some person, you're saying, whoa, all you have to do is do what you can do.
Yeah.
It means, yesterday I said to somebody, what if you have 2 sardines? You can't give her one, you know? So no, it not gonna look good because, I mean, we see people are giving so much sardines. No,
Yeah,
I
but
told you
no,
off. Give
it's
her one.
all right.
If you can give
It's
one,
all
give
right.
one.
It's not a giving contest.
No, no,
Not a giving contest.
There you go.
And comparison is a thief of joy.
Oh, my
So we're not
God.
comparing what others are doing. We're not comparing
Just
to
do what
say
you
what
can.
I can do is not going to be enough. No, you do what you can.
If you can't even give a sardine and you can help somebody pack it, food for the poor, they need people to help them pack. It's a huge warehouse and they're packing, you know what I mean? So
And I'll add to that. If you don't have a sardine to give, if you don't have a single cent to give, you can donate blood.
yes, donate blood.
It costs you nothing. And we are currently in dire need of blood.
Yes.
Because these field hospitals, they're going to be actually doing surgeries on people who have been injured,
Yes.
even in with post Melissa, and you can't do surgery without having blood, right?
Yeah,
So donate blood. That is one of the easiest and
It don't
best
cost
ways
any
you
money,
can give
yeah.
back. It doesn't cost a dollar.
Yes. By the way,
yeah.
it's a fundraising Friday, and it makes it a fundraising Friday this morning. So if you're stay with us, stick with us this morning, because I mean we're gonna lift spirits, you know, this morning. Because remember, you know, everybody can't be everybody down all the time. At least one person have a little glimmer of light. You can lift his spirit. You know, 'cause you can't go through the whole day down, you know. You have to have some moments where you just breathe.
Yeah, man.
Breathe, all right? So, we're going to do it this morning. I'm so happy to be here to do it with you this morning.
It's great to be here with you always. Itimus Maximus. Do we have birthdays?
Birthdays?
Do we?
Yes, of course we have birthdays today. Somebody celebrated a birthday today.
Well, you know who is celebrating a birthday? Is Bridget Foster Hilton. Yeah, come on, feel like hurgle over this right away. Bridget is a retired Jamaican 100-meter hurdler who was the world champion over the 100-meter hurdles in 2009 in Berlin. Real nice girl, pretty lady.
Yes,
Whoa.
pretty bright. Yes, wonderful. And of course, also...
there she is, Bridget.
Bridget, there she is. If you didn't know her, where have you been? But also, on Saturday, that's tomorrow, November 8th, a Jamaican singer, Diana King, she celebrates her birthday also. I think she sang about Shy Guy.
I don't want nobody.
I was wondering if I was a shy guy at the time when she was singing about a shy guy, you know? You know, she made Shy Guy a good thing. But anyway, she celebrates her birthday on November 8th, and happy birthday to you, Diana King, wherever you are.
I also love when she redid Say a Little Prayer.
Yes.
I say a little prayer for you. I love her tone. Her tone is so special.
You know,
I
when you
wish.
did that, I'm reminded about the movie with Julia Roberts.
Oh,
of course.
My Best Friend's Wedding.
Yes, in my restaurant.
The moment I wake up, before I put on my makeup, what we're gonna do?
I say a little prayer for you forever
And ever, you stay in my heart, and I love you. And ever. All right, well, you know, we're all about the good vibes today.
Yes.
So here's your morning mix, and I'm saying, I hope it have say a little prayer just because of this. Oh, IT, you found it.
Yeah.
And it does not have say a little prayer, but let's see what it has. Check it out.
All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance. And ain't nobody leaving, so keep dancing.